Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how to use the basic features on a digital multimeter. This is the MM6000 digital multimeter that we have right here. You can tell at first glance it's got a lot of features on it and it's very intimidating. So real quick, I'm just going to go over what those features are. Check back with Tradesman TV for more in-depth on every single one of those features. So a typical multimeter needs to measure three things: voltage, resistance, and current, which is measured in amperage. So in this meter, if you wanted to measure voltage, you've got your first two selections right here. You've got voltage AC, voltage DC. Your next selection is going to be resistance, and what you'll notice is there's a couple secondary functions underneath that selection. So in order to get to those, you turn to that selection, and then you're going to press the orange button to select through and cycle through the different features. Now continuing on, we've got low impedance, we've got frequency and duty cycle. Some models have temperature where you can measure in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, and then you've got your current functions. You've got microamps and milliamps and amperage. Now the most important thing to remember is when you're measuring particularly the amperage settings, you have two different jacks down here, and you need to make sure that you're in the corresponding jack. You'll also notice on the voltage side, you've got a couple indications there of where you need to place the leads. So typically your COM is always going to be in your black, and then your red lead is actually going to move around depending on the selection that you're in. And that's basically it. That's a real basic overview of the multimeter, and that's a real basic understanding of kind of some of the base features of a digital multimeter. Again, check back with Tradesman TV for more in-depth overviews on every single one of these features.